If you want awesome products at great prices, check out the description. A London High Court has delivered a significant ruling on the legality of UK arms sales, specifically concerning the export of F-35 fighter jet components to Israel. The court, in a decision handed down Monday, deemed Britain's decision lawful, despite acknowledging the potential for these parts to be used in ways violating international humanitarian law within the Gaza Strip. This landmark judgment follows legal action initiated by Al-Haq, a prominent human rights organization based in the Israeli-occupied West Bank. Al-Haq challenged the UK's Department for Business and Trade over a controversial exemption granted to F-35 part exports amidst a broader suspension of arms licenses implemented last year. The UK government's justification centered on a stated assessment that Israel's commitment to international humanitarian law, particularly concerning humanitarian access and the treatment of detainees, fell short of acceptable standards. However, a crucial element of the government's defense highlighted the potential global ramifications of suspending F-35 licenses, emphasizing the disruption to a vital international program supplying parts for the advanced fighter jets. The Ministry of Defense argued that such a move would not only destabilize the complex supply chain but also severely undermine U.S. confidence in the UK and NATO alliances, potentially jeopardizing international security. At a hearing last month, Al-Haq presented compelling arguments, asserting the illegality of the exemption under international law, citing violations of the Geneva Conventions. Their challenge, however, was ultimately dismissed by the High Court in a comprehensive written ruling. The court's decision has undoubtedly sparked considerable debate, raising crucial questions about the balance between national security interests, international legal obligations, and the ethical implications of arms sales in conflict zones. The intricacies of this case delve into the complex interplay of geopolitical alliances, international humanitarian law, and the often blurred lines governing the transfer of military technology. The full implications of this ruling remain to be seen, but its impact on future arms export decisions, both within the UK and internationally, is expected to be significant. Further details, analysis, and expert opinions on this complex legal battle will be forthcoming, as the global community grapples with the long-term consequences of this high-profile case. The court's decision represents a turning point in the ongoing discourse surrounding arms sales and international humanitarian law, with its ramifications likely to resonate for years to come. This case will undoubtedly fuel further discussions and scrutiny of the UK's arms export policies and their alignment with international legal standards. The ongoing debate promises to be both complex and far-reaching, prompting a critical examination of the ethical responsibilities and geopolitical realities inherent in the international arms trade. The court's ruling serves as a pivotal moment, highlighting the critical need for transparent and accountable processes in the international transfer of military technology and its potential impact on conflict zones.